Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are discuss about the game fencing. Fencing is the group of three related combat sports. There are three disciplines in the modern fencing are the foil, the épée and the sabre. In the fencing, the winning is made through the weapons contact with the opponents. In the previous class, we have learned about the offensive skills of the fencing. Today, in this class, we will learn about the defensive skills of the fencing. These are parry, circle parry, counter attack and pointing line. Then let's see in the details. First one is the parry. Basic defense technique. Block the opponent's weapon while it is preparing or executing an attack to deflect the blade away from the fencer's valid area and to give fencer the right way, usually followed by a riposte, a return attack by the defender. Second one is the circle parry. A parry where the weapon is moved in a circle to catch the opponent's tip and deflect it away. Third one is the counter attack. A basic fencing technique of attacking your opponent while generally moving back out of the way of the opponent's attack, used quite often in EP to score against the attacker's hand. More difficult to accomplish in foil and sabre unless one is quick enough to make the counter attack and retreat ahead of advancing opponent without being scored. And last one is the point in line, a specific position where the arm is straight and the point is threatening the opponent's target area. In foil and sabre, this gives one priority if the extension is completed before the opponent begins the final action of the attack. When performed as a defensive action, the attacker must then disturb the extended weapon to retake priority. Otherwise, the defender has priority and the point in line will win touch if the attacker goes manage a single light. Today we have learned the defensive skills of the fencing. Let's practice at home. Thank you.